I'd like to now go over with you the entire button structure once you log into the model area at Waveside Entertainment. The key button we're going to focus on is number 1, which is basic information. When you log on to button number 1, this is what you're going to see. What we have done was we provided a brief explanation of what all the buttons pertain to so that you can readily take a look at button number 1, which is general information, to find out which button you need to click on for any particular thing. So, as you begin, button number 2, for example, speed test. We already know what that is. Button number 2 pertains to testing your internet speed to make sure that you have the quality of internet speed needed to stream as a webcam model. Button number 3, encoder download. Just as the title specifies, button number 3 explains to you how to download the encoder. It is very, very simple. It may seem very overwhelming when you first begin. However, once you do it, you too will say, it's not that hard. Button number 4, encoder configuration. You click on button number 4 as well as watch the video provided on button number 4. It explains to you in detail the proper configuration of your encoder. There again, if you have problems, you can't get your configuration to provide the streaming quality that you're looking to get, feel free to send us an email. We can have our techs help you out with that. Button number 5, using the encoder. There again, video available. It shows you step by step how to use the encoder to provide crystal clear live stream. Without crystal clear live stream, you will not have many private sessions, and in return, you will not make that much money. So the key thing is you want to make sure that you work on the crystal clear stream. Number 6, know the rules. The network is very serious about the rules laid out. The rules are not only for the network, but they are also spelled out to protect the models as well. Take the time, read the rules, follow the rules. If you fail to follow the rules and abide by the rules, you do have the potential of having your account suspended and or terminated. You don't want that because honestly, the rules are very simple to follow, and it's not asking the models much to follow the rules. Number 7, starting your show. When you're ready, you click on number 7. You'll be logged in directly, and you're set to go. You're set to stream live. Number 8, live models training. Live models training consists of actual videos of models in free and private sessions, and this is what you can expect to potentially do and see happen when you log into stream live. Take a look at the live models. These are very, very experienced models. They're some of the top models on the network. They know what they're doing. So feel free to take some tips from them as far as what they do during their guest and private shows. Number 9, FAQ. Just as the title says, frequently asked questions. If you find that there is a question you have that the answer is not appearing on the FAQ section, feel free to send us an email. Send an email to your representative, and we'll be sure to respond to you promptly. Tips. Tips is quite an extensively long page. However, it contains extremely vital information on streaming and providing the best performance available. There again, the better your performance, the more your money you have the potential to make. So take some time and review the tips page in its entirety. Promote yourself. This too is another very vital page. Not only does the network promote you, but this gives you some ideas and tips, as well as providing a video for you to watch on how to promote yourself, which in return will only increase your potential revenues. Gold shows. The Gold Show button explains to you in details the criteria needed to receive the Gold Show status, as well as details on how the Gold Show works. If you're interested in the Gold Show, you need to begin by reading the Gold Show. Click on the Gold Show button and read the details of the Gold Show to see if you meet the criteria required to receive the Gold Show status. Gold Show status actually is provided automatically from the network for models that meet the criteria. So basically there's like a robot that's going around, and if there's a model that meets the criteria, gold status is generally added to your account automatically. Button number 13, payouts. This page explains to you the payout methods we have available. Additionally, there is a video that is provided and explains to you how payouts are processed. Take the time, read the page, and also watch the video. Model earnings. Model earnings pertains to just that. This is a way for you to track your earnings and also see when earnings payouts are processed. Bonuses. Click on button number 15. It'll explain to you the bonuses that we have available and also details in order for you to capitalize on the bonuses that are available. Button number 16, message center. This is a very, very important section to refer to. If a model isn't receiving her emails from us, for example, generally an important message that we have tried to send emails out to all the models may have got lost in cyberspace, went to your spam folder or whatever because you didn't appropriately set us up as on your safe mail list. So make sure you check the message center. If you can't do it every day, do it as frequently as possible, because anytime there's an important message, it will be posted on the message center, as well as generally follow-up emails are sent as well. Number 17, Models Live Chat. Models Live Chat is an area where models can log in and talk live to Jeannie per scheduled time, generally after 7 p.m. in the evenings. And as well, on Tuesday evenings from 8 to 9 p.m. Eastern Time, she holds a models workshop where any model can log in. Feel free to chat to Jeannie about whatever issue or problem you're experiencing pertaining to performing. There again, if you want to schedule a models chat, send Jeannie an email or send an email from our Contact Us page requesting a session with her, and she'll respond to you and let you know what time slot she has available. Button number 18, tech support. Tech support is just that. It's a way for models to talk to and connect with our technical assistants, and they can help you with configuring your encoder, or if you can't get your cam quite set up, that's what they're there for. So if you need technical support, click on button number 18, read the details. You can request assistance via Contact Us page, and someone will get back to you promptly and schedule a session. General support. Any general question you have, feel free to send an email either from our Contact Us page or from the email that is posted under button number 9, support at Waveside Entertainment, and be sure to include your model name. The worst thing that happens is when a model sends an email requesting help and you don't put your model's name. That means that our support team has to dig through trying to figure out who you are so that they can provide the best answer possible. Maybe you've already been dealing with someone else on an issue. So if you have any questions, anytime you want to email us, make sure you include your model name in the subject line. It not only speeds things up for us, but it will also increase the response time that it takes for our support staff, as well as Jeannie and the technicians to respond to you. And number 20 is recruiting models. Current models have the availability to earn revenues from any potential model they refer who becomes a model and posts earnings. Click on button number 20, as well as watching the video on how to recruit models and earn money not only on your own while you're streaming live, but also from the models you recruit. At the bottom of button number 1, basic information, you'll see there's an extensive amount of information. We don't enter this information just because. This is all very important content. So what we need you to do is to read this page thoroughly. It'll take you, maybe 5 minutes? The amount of information you will absorb from reading this page, as well as scanning all the buttons available, is what you need to develop a successful webcam modeling career. Again, if you have any questions about any of these buttons, any information regarding streaming live, feel free to send us an email. Either use our general support from our Contact Us page or send an email to your rep directly, and we will respond to you generally within 24 hours. Happy camming!